Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix App Store not downloading apps. So guys, if you want to download apps from App Store in your iPhone and facing any kind of issue related to apps downloading, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to click on your main profile of this Apple ID and make sure that your Apple ID is logged in your App Store. So guys, if not logged in, then guys you need to log in, and guys after this simply you need to go back and guys open your settings on your iPhone, and guys you need to open your Apple ID here. And guys after this simply you need to sign out your Apple ID, and guys after few minutes you need to sign in again. And guys after doing this you need to go back and guys open your settings again, and guys you need to scroll it down, and guys here you need to find your App Store. So guys wait for a few seconds. So guys as you can wait, so guys wait for a few seconds. So guys here you can see App Store is here. You need to open this tab, scroll it down. Here is the option of personalized recommendations. You need to click on this and clear app use data. Simply you need to clear all data, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys if still not fix your problem, then you need to open your settings again. Click on general, and guys click on transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset and click on reset network settings. And after doing this you need to open your VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. So guys if connected, then you need to disconnect it. And guys after this you need to click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys after doing all the things your problem will be fixed. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.